Hello students, welcome. Today we are going to learn new grammar session and that is all about adjectives. Students, can you tell what is meant by adjective? Yes, adjective means it is a describing word which describes mainly noun in a sentences, right? Just let's read the following sentences and pay attention to the describing words. Okay students, is it a new building? Look at that word new. Is it a new building? Just see. Let's next sentence. I have heard the story about a lazy rabbit and the clever tortoise. Okay students, look at that next one. Ujjaini is an ancient city. Look at that word ancient, right? The describing words new, lazy, clever, and ancient tell us more about the nouns, right? That follows them building, rabbit, tortoise, and city means these are nouns. Okay, students. So they are called as adjectives. So, students, the describing words new, lazy, clever, ancient that describe or tells us more about nouns means the words that describe us more about noun, it is called as adjective. Adjective words that tells us more about noun and pronoun, right students? Okay, look at that. Then there are some features regarding adjectives. The first one is, let's see, adjective can occur before nouns. Adjectives can occur before nouns, right? Look at this example. A strong rope, colorful butterflies, bad weather. So, strong, colorful, and bad. These are the adjectives that are used before the noun, such as rope, butterflies, and weather, right? Look at that second feature. Adjectives can occur after the verb be, means be, right? So, which are the be verbs? Okay, let's see. Amizar, was, were, been, etc. are the be verb, right? So look at that how it will be occur after the be verbs. The sentence is the rope is strong. Here is the be verbs, right? So the adjective occur after the verb strong, right? Look at that, strong is the adjective. Butterflies are colorful. Look at that, word colorful is the adjective and it will comes after are, right? The weather was bad. The weather was bad, so word bad is the adjective, it will come after was, right? So when an adjective occurs after be means be, when an adjective occurs after be verbs means be verbs, it is called as complement. It is called as complement. Okay, most adjective can come after the adverb very. Most adjective can come after the adverb very. Look at that, very intelligent, very cold, very tasty, like this. Okay students, look at that next feature. Adjective can be used for comparison. We have use in change the degree or degree of comparison means comparative or superlative degree. We use the adjectives for more comparison. Most adjectives have comparative and superlative forms. Some adjectives have more and most before them when used for the comparison, right? Let's see which are the base form of the adjectives and what are their comparative and superlative forms. Look at that. First adjective is old, then its comparative form is older, then superlative form is oldest. So old, older, and oldest are the three forms of adjective, right? So good, better, best, smart, smarter, smartest, right? But in some case of adjective, more or most is used before them, like intelligent, it became like more intelligent, and then it became in superlative form most intelligent. Beautiful became more beautiful, and in superlative form it became most beautiful, right? Okay students, let's see some more facts about adjectives. In general, adjectives in general, adjectives indicate some kind of quality of noun. Means adjectives are used to indicate the quality, quantity and the numbers, right students? Look at that example, smart boy. How that boy was? It was a smart, right? So smart boy, boy having the quality of smartness. Wise lady, here the lady having the quality of wisdom, means wise lady, right? Then adjective indicate the quantity. Look at that, there are several specific adjectives to indicate the quantity. They answer the question how much, right? Look at that example, some milk, little hope, enough, much rain, right? Enough money and much rain. So in this case, some, little, enough and much are the adjectives which indicate the quantity of noun, right? Okay, look at that next fact. There are also specific adjectives indicating number. They answer the question how many. They answer the question how many, means it means they indicates the number. 5 girls, many boats, a few seagulls, several tourists. So several, few, many and this number 5, they indicates the number. So some adjectives indicate the number also. So we can make a statement like this: adjective indicates quality, they indicate quantity as well as number. Okay students, look at that. Several pronouns function as the adjective when noun follows them. These pronouns with adjective function are also referred to as determiners. The important types of among such adjectives are passive adjectives and demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so let's see what is passive adjectives and what are the demonstrative adjectives. Students, look at that. I repeat, several pronoun function as a adjective. Several pronoun like his, her, my, your, okay, these are the pronouns. They function as an adjective when a noun follows them. When noun follows them, right? Means when noun come after them. These pronoun uh, with adjective function are also referred to as determinant. The important types among such adjectives are that possessive adjective and demonstrative adjective. My book is with you. Here see, my is a pronoun and book is a noun, so it will be the possessive adjective. Okay students, then demonstrative adjective. This novel is amazing. Look at that. This, that, there are the demonstrative adjective, and when they come after, sorry, when they come before the noun, they are called demonstrative adjective, right? Look at that. Interrogative adjectives. Then whose book is this? Here whose is the word that is the interrogative adjective, because it will come before the book and it is a question type of adjective, right? Therefore it is called as interrogative adjective. Look at that, some examples of passive adjectives. Passive adjectives show belongings such as my watch, their land, his book, our friends. The table below show the possessive adjective in English. Let's see what are the examples of possessive adjective are there. First of all, singular and plural. In first person, my, okay, my is used for male or female character both. Then its plural is our, and it also used for male and female. Okay, then your is also a possessive adjective, it will be used for male and female too. Then his, her, its and their are also the possessive adjective, they were used for the male, female and non-personal items are there, and if there are non-personal subject and male and female, we can use there also, right? Non-personal means things like objects. Okay, look at that. Demonstrative objective. Next thing, demonstrative objective show or point to something. The demonstrative objectives are singular, this, these, this and that, this and those. These are the demonstrative adjectives. This castle, this acrobat, these flowers, those places. Then we will see interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective ask a question about the nouns they precede. They are three. There are three interrogative adjectives: what, which, and whose. Only there are how many adjectives? Interrogative adjective: what, which, and whose. Okay. Only those three are interrogative adjective: what color, which bag, whose sister, etc. Okay. How to identify adjectives? Let's see. Adjectives are usually identified by looking at their function in their context. However, there are some word ending that adjective usually have which can help to identify them. Look at that. If the adjective has the suffix like able, al, full, ic, ish, less, ous, or y, then they may be adjective. Look at that example: comfort, comfortable; capable, then breakable; then also option became optional; season become seasonal; grammatical, grammar become grammatical; color become colorful, playful, beautiful. So these are the example: colorless, useless, careless, yellowish, boyish, reddish, cynic, scientific, and specific. Like this, courageous, dangerous, delicious, and those who have y suffix are dirty, slippery, sleepy, etc. So these are the adjective, students. So you can add these kind of suffix to make the adjectives, right? Okay. Let's see the exercise number 1. I will help you to solve this. Whether the following statements are true or false. Let's see. The first statement is adjective describe the qualities of verb. Adjective describe the qualities of verb. Is this right? No, it was wrong. Adjective describe the quality of noun, right? Then look at that second one. Adjective occur before noun. Yes, right. Adjective occur before noun. Adjective occurring after form of the verb be are called complements. Yes, it is correct. Adjective occurring after the form of the verb be are called as complements. Adjective cannot come after very. Wrong. Adjective comes after very, adverb very, right? Then the comparative and the superlative, the comparative and the superlative forms of all adjectives are formed using more and most. It will not be all. So this sentence was wrong. Adjectives can indicate quality, quantity, and number. Yes, it is. So it was a right sentence. His is a passive adjective. Yes, it is. Then there is an demonstrative adjective. Yes, is it correct? No, it was wrong. Why is not an interrogative adjective? Why is not an interrogative adjective? Wrong, because why is an interrogative adjective. Then adjective usually end in ly. Wrong. Adjective doesn't ends with a ly, right? Okay, look at that next exercise. Choose the correct word to fill the blanks. I like dot dot colors. I like dark colors. Charumati is very dot dot intelligent. Okay, so look at that. Adjective come after very. Is the cake dot dot? Is the cake tasty? Right. The travelers were worried because they didn't have dot dot water. The travelers were worried because they didn't have plenty water, plenty of water, or enough water. Sorry, enough water. Who is dot dot? Bhima or Nakula? Who is stronger? Bhima or Nakula? Right. Then dot dot children drop out of school in village. Okay, so several children drop out of school in villages, right? Then look at that. Like this you can fill all the blanks given here. Are dot dot bicycle made up of plastic? Are these bicycles made up of plastic? Right, they are so light, they are so light. Okay, dot dot paper, do you read? Hindustan Times or the Pioneer? Okay, then which paper do you read, Hindustan Time or the Pioneer? Dot dot dog is chasing dot dot cat. My dog is chasing, yes, your cat, right? Like this. Then the dot dot princess had a visitor from dot dot city. The young princess had a visitor from distant city, right students? Like this you can complete whole the exercise of adjectives. Okay, I think you understood it well. Okay students, thank you, take care.